Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing a strong magnet and safety gear. This improves detection and prevents injuries. Once done, attach the magnet to a wooden dowel or pole so you can sweep low without bending constantly. Move in straight grid lines at about 1 meter intervals in open areas, closer in cluttered spots. This systematic sweep prevents missed targets and builds a simple map of where metal concentrates. Continue by lowering sweep distance to refine detection. Small fragments require 0.5 to 5 centimeter passes, while larger objects show up farther away. Adjust as you go. Make short, overlapping sweeps, and when something sticks, test it with a second magnet or a gentle pull to confirm its ferrous. Once you find clusters, mark them with flags and note spacing. This helps you focus future passes and separate scatter from single large target. Finish by carefully retrieving attached items with pliers or a gloved hand so you don't lose small pieces. Once recovered, clean and inspect each item to confirm metal type. Magnet behavior and whether items flip toward the magnet can hint at depth and orientation. If you find little, make sure to tighten your grid, sweep edges and vegetation, and test your magnet against a known ferrous object. If it's weak, replace it to avoid missed target.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.